I am here at the Hilton LAX. It's just a Hilton that is a good stop when you are staying at the airport. I'm actually here for a meeting, which is a really great idea because you can just fly in, come to the meeting, and stay at the hotel. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview. Even though I'm alone, they gave me double beds because that's all they had left. Totally fine. It is a Hilton, so it's always pretty nice, which is always, you know what to expect, which is great. The view, they can't really do anything about it. It's LA, right? This is what you get in LA, lots of brown in the sky and on the ground. But I had somebody in my airport shuttle that actually was doing a stopover for the night and going on an international trip tomorrow. So it is really a great, great option. So just to show you around the room, here is the closet. Nothing fancy, but pretty good. Here's the bathroom, a little bit small, but so what? What do you need it for? Bathtub, you don't see those a whole lot anymore. It's a little bit old, but that's okay. I mean, it's not the worst. So yeah, so far I like it. I'm gonna show you around downstairs, show you the restaurant, even show you the meeting rooms because that's what I'm here for, and give you a little idea of what to expect. Well, I apparently got less video than I thought I did, but here are just a little bit of an overview of the hotel. Overall, great experience. The downstairs was a lot newer than the actual room was. They've clearly remodeled it. So if you are doing a stopover in LA at LAX, definitely try out this hotel. They do have a shuttle from the airport as well, so that's always really helpful too.